Good morning everyone, today is Tuesday, the second day of my vacation, and still we have more tennis to play and more StarCraft to play and more the time to study. A lot of stuff to do. Let's live a full day. Let's go. That clip out there was completely out of focus, and right now I want to test it because right now I'm using the Leica lens. The autofocus shouldn't be worse than the Lumix kit lens 12-32, right? So maybe it was just an exception that I didn't focus well, and right now I'm using the vlogging mirror to make sure that I am indeed in focus. But then again, I'm using a different camera this time from yesterday. Yesterday was GH5, today is GX85. Maybe there's a difference there. Too many variables. I am currently uploading the tennis video from yesterday. I did not edit the video, so it was just the file straight from the camera. It was huge. It was almost 60 gigabytes, and as you can see here, uploaded 70% and requires 2 hours 45 minutes more to finish. It's a giant file. Now I could edit it and make it small, like it will turn out to be 5 to 10 gigabytes only once I edit it. But I don't have the time. I don't want to waste time editing tennis video anymore, unless it's a really good match. It was a good match, but it wasn't good enough for me to sit down for an hour to edit and then spend 2 hours to export video and then upload for I don't know, half hour, 1 hour. Today's breakfast is some Japanese ramen noodles, very simple. Just to eat it before I go to play tennis so that I have more strength, more energy. And when I come back, I'm gonna eat some Chinese takeout. It's gonna be delicious. Bokeh test. Well, this is clearly better than the 12-32 kit lens. And look at this bokeh. When you zoom all the way into 60 millimeter, it's having a little bit hard time to focus. But you can see the bokeh is really crazy. The background is completely out of focus. So is the foreground because it can't find focus. Anyway, that's how it looks. And also the lens is parfocal. Excellent. Just ate and well rested, and now before tennis we have still an hour's time, so we're gonna read some Italian in the morning. Then we're gonna start reading random articles for maybe 30 minutes. It's gonna be fun. Scuola bianchi tra 10 anni e 1.400.000 studenti in meno, ma abbiamo bisogno di più insegnanti. Il ministro è in audizione alla Camera. Il ministero va riformato e sulla stabilizzazione dei docenti precari stiamo ragionando con il MEF. Aumentare il tempo scuola è uno dei passaggi affrontati nella sua relazione alla Camera dal ministro all'istruzione Patrizio Bianchi, e per questo occorrono più docenti. Il MEF ci ha confermato l'organico dello scorso anno, ma ci ha anche dato qualcosa in più per il sostegno e il potenziamento. Nonostante ricorda il ministro che nei prossimi 10 anni avremo tra i banchi 1.400.000 ragazzi in meno, ma occorre ridefinire la numerosità delle classi e il dimensionamento istituti. Per questo abbiamo bisogno di più insegnanti e più dirigenti. Altro punto, la riforma di Viale Trastevere
Il Ministero, così come oggi, non è più in grado di organizzare la specificità e la complessità dei compiti, dice Bianchi. Stiamo ampliando l'età dell'educazione dai 0 anni ai 6, ma anche dopo i 18 con la formazione post-diploma e continua. Serve un dipartimento che si occupi di formazione tecnica superiore e dobbiamo mettere mano all'organizzazione del Ministero e degli organi decentrati. L'obiettivo è creare un dipartimento che si occupi di formazione tecnica superiore e di formazione permanente. Poi vanno rafforzate le strutture del sistema scolastico, il piano di ripresa e resilienza ci aiuta moltissimo, basta pensare agli investimenti per la fascia dei più piccoli, aggiunto. Ok. I'm gonna stop here. I don't have to read everything on camera.
I'm giving this notebook of new vocabularies I find every day. Try to find 3, 4, 5 words each day, and yeah, try to keep track of them. You know, sometimes I look up a new word and I understand, okay, I know what it means, and then the second day I'll just forget about it. All right, we have from yesterday, we have chima, top, malapena, barely. I've never seen that word being used. Trajectoria, this is a tricky word to pronounce. Trajectoria, trajectory, lacerante, tearing. And from today we have reclutamento. I wrote it like a riductamento, but it's a reclutamento. It's a CL, not a D. Recruitment, precaro, precarious, soldamento, firmly, enfasi, emphasis, mutevole, changing. Okay, fancy words you read from a newspaper and books, I guess. Hopefully I can use these words in real life. It is a very bright day today, so I put this ND filter on, variable ND filter. I can adjust the exposure like this. Let's see how it looks. It's my first time using this on my Leica lens. Yeah.
No.
That's so bright. Alright, so both this like a 12-60 millimeter and 8-18 millimeter are gorgeous, beautiful lenses made by Leica and Panasonic. But I think the 12-60 is a better vlogging lens. Well, for one, it has a better zoom range. That's the thing I like most. I like standard zoom range as vlogging lens because 12mm is wide enough, even with the 1.1 crop right now on a GX85. It still is wider enough in my opinion, especially if it didn't have a crop. That would be much better, I think. Actually, extend your arm so far away, you can see fair amount of background there. It's pretty nice. And 8-18 is just no, it's not long enough. I like to zoom in onto stuff. I like to shoot some close-up, maybe create some bokeh. It's always fun to do, which is very difficult to do with the 8-18 lens, which is also f2.8 to f4, and I do own the Sigma 10-20mm, which translates into 14 to 28mm lens, and it's constant f3.5, which with speed booster becomes f2.5 constant on Micro Four Thirds system, and that is a lot faster than the Leica 8-18. So all in all, it just doesn't make sense for me to get the 8-18mm lens, but I do love the look of those Leica lenses. They are really beautifully built, gorgeous lenses. Just like something like a collectible for me. It's just a piece of jewel, something like that, in my opinion. I like them. Yeah. And right now I'm gonna play tennis very soon, in a few minutes. 1 hour of training session, and then we have another hour to play with some another club member that I'm gonna play for the first time with him, and we'll see how it goes. Alright, just done playing. Holy shit. He was really good. Marco, really good. Played a match. Score is 7-5 for him. Very close match. Very close match. Really tough match. Yeah, it's really fun. Also playing rally with him is very fun. He has very strong baseline strokes, so it's a very good practice partner. I like it. Yeah, we can hit very strong rallies. That's pretty cool. Alright. Right now I can't even see the screen. It's so bright outside. I can beautiful day. Vlogging test. Testing, vlogging. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. I have nothing to say. It is 8 p.m. during sunset. I'm taking a short walk. I'm sure my legs are... I don't feel any strength in my legs anymore. Use them all in tennis. I am out of focus. This thing is not focusing on me. Hello. Oh god. It's awful out of focusing. Oh, I can't believe out of focusing low light can be so bad. We'll just try again real quick. Haven't done much this afternoon. Played Minecraft, ate, took a nap. Very exhausting day. Not very productive this afternoon. So tonight, besides playing StarCraft, I'm gonna actually do some work, study a little bit more. Tonight, we're going to study fashion. We're going to study some brand names, some whatever, I don't know, but we're gonna study and explore, okay? Tomorrow we're gonna test a new lens. Not a new lens, but I'm gonna use a different lens. I kind of want to use different lens for every day, every episode of a vlog. I'm gonna use a different gear, different camera, different lens. Tomorrow I'm gonna try to use the big and heavy 10 to 20 millimeter lens. It's gonna be full menu. I'm not gonna use autofocus when shooting video, but photo is doable with autofocus. I'm gonna try with this. It's not gonna be easy. Tomorrow evening I have tennis session at 6 p.m. I guess it's gonna be fun. So yeah, that's it. That's what I'm gonna use tomorrow. And today has been fun. GH5 and Leica12-60. Very nice combo. Super lightweight. I love shooting vlog with with this setup. During daytime, autofocus is fantastic. In low light, it struggles a little bit. But I guess it is what it is. Might go for third.